Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today video I'm going to show you new update that is going on now. I don't know if you have already got this level, but look at the about the now in this update here is known as XRP worker.top. I'll drop the link on this video description in case if you are finding difficult how to get a link or the right site. I'll drop it in this video. Now let me explain something concerning this thing. The moment I registered, they give me 30 XRP, and I know that you know what XRP means. It is repo. It's a coin that I normally buy in a crypto space, the way we call Tron, BTC, Ethereum. That is how this one look like. You can even buy and invest on it, and when it get the price go higher, you can make a profit. That's how it is. It's a cryptocurrency as well. Now, and they are giving it free here by doing a simple task. When you do simple tasks, you can withdraw instantly to your wallet. Now I'm going to explain few things how it works so that you can be able to withdraw your own. Now here they say that to withdraw, you see my own is insufficient balance. Is when you have 20 XRP, that's when you're going to withdraw, and you have to complete a 10 tasks daily to enjoy up to 20% annual interest rate. Go complete tasks now. I click understand. Now I have to do the task. Now, what are you going to do to find a place that will be performing all the tasks? Look at here. This is accept the task to start today challenge. Click here. Now, as you click here, go to complete tasks. You click it, you can carry to another site. You will see the tasks that are talking about to complete. You can complete them here. If you want to store the applications, this one you say that, or is other tasks. They say that install app, that is a desktop on any this thing, you can install it. It's under task. Now enable your notification is a task. See how you can use navigating. Now any task I have done here, there is a place they're going to keep the record. Look at here today task details. Whenever I perform any task, they're going to give you the record. Yeah, this one went successful, and they'll be showing it here for you. That's how it works. Now here, in case you have already get registered, you are finding your link. Look at the price of XRP here. Imagine me that having 30, do you know how much it is? You don't need to play with this airdrop. Now, going here, click invite. When you click invite, oh my, this thing disconnect. When you click invite, let me log in again. Sorry, is my data connection disconnected? To verify like human being every time. Okay, now when you complete it, and now to copy your referral link, you come here. This way I can copy my referral link. If you refer 10 person, you can be earning you can be getting 10% from the people. Those people that you refer. That's how it works. You go here, you see your profile, how it look like. This is my own profile. You see it. See, this is my profile. And if you look here, the exchange that is supporting on this particular reward is Binance, and also Indodex is supporting. In case if you want to withdraw, you can paste your wallet address here, and also destination tag. You add your tag here, and you proceed with the withdrawal. It's very legit, but you must have 100 pieces. Here I'm having 30, as I told you initially. Make sure that you're having 100 here before you withdraw. That is it, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, give it a thumb up and comment if you have question to ask about it. As I told you earlier, I'm going to drop the link under this video description so you can get uh, registered and start doing those tasks and accumulate more points. There's no time on before it will cast. Do it fast. I don't know that it's even going to last for a long time, but I just got the information. I have to do the video and give to you guys. Thank you for watching once again. I'm so happy. Sorry that I have been a long time I upload due to a commitment what I'm doing. Sorry about that. But I promise from now I'll be dropping video maybe once in a week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.